Today I'm going to show you how to change your IP address every single second using AutoTor. You can see right here that it's working. Every time I check my IP address, it changes. This is really good if you want to stay anonymous online. I'm going to show you guys how to do it today.
Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. The techniques explored here are part of an experiment to understand online privacy. Use this knowledge responsibly and always abide by the laws of your country. Unauthorized actions in cyberspace can have serious legal repercussions. Proceed with caution, stay ethical, and respect the boundaries of the digital world.
In this video, I made it super simple. In the YouTube description, I'm going to have a cut and paste type method for you guys. So all you're going to have to do is cut and paste into your terminal, and it'll make your life super easy and hopefully makes you feel a little bit more comfortable. So the first thing you're going to see here, I do sudo su. That's going to make you a root user. Then you're going to copy this command right here. This downloads the repository from GitHub to your local machine. I'm still going to leave the GitHub link in the description, but this is just easier for you just to cut and paste it. You're going to type ls. This command lists the files and directories in your current directory. You're going to see that AutoTor IP changer. You're going to want to get into that, so you're going to hit cd. This allows you to change your current directory into that one. And you're going to hit ls again to make sure you're there. And then you're going to see another file, install py. So what you're going to do now is type in chmod space plus x space I space install.py. That gives the install py file executable permissions. If it's green, it means you did it right. So now you do the next step, type in what you see here, paste it, and then you're going to hit yes. You want to install it. Once you're done, you'll get a message saying that it's successfully installed. Now you can use it. So the user, you got to use AUT. That'll bring you into the AutoTor. And you have one more step you need to do. You need to change a couple settings in your browser. So you're going to go over to your browser, click on the hamburger there. I'm in Firefox right now. I'm going to click on settings, scroll all the way to the bottom until you see network settings. Click on the settings, and then you need to change this right here. You want to do manual configuration. And for socks, you're going to end up putting this address and port, and just hit OK. And now you are ready to use AutoTor. So now go back to your terminal, give yourself admin access once again, sudo su, and you'll see that, and then now AUT, and now you're ready to go. So the way you do it, now you could change and customize it the way you want, but for me, I want to do it every single second. For the first thing I'm going to type is the number 1 per second. So I hit enter, and then how many times do you want it to change? 0 means it's infinite, and then to stop it, it's just Control C. But as you see here, my IP address is now changing every single second. So I'm going to go test it real quick in my browser, and if you search your IP address and it comes up somewhere that you're not, that means it's working. And that's it for this video. So you just learned how to change your IP address every single second. Remember, safety is an illusion. I'll see you in the next video.